Right off the bat, notice how official this sounds. These numbers are basically the case ID, and trust me, they're about to carry a lot of weight for Cameron Waters. Question for you guys. Have you ever wondered how judges keep track of so many cases just by numbers?
Court is calling 2025 CR 008264, State versus Cameron Waters. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
John Robertson for Mr. Waters.
And are you Mr. Waters?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Waters, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Unauthorized use of a vehicle might sound lighter than auto theft, but make no mistake, this is a felony. That means even if Cameron avoids serious prison time, this charge could follow him for life.
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's...
Quick legal breakdown here. Concurrent means Cameron will serve this new sentence at the same time as his previous one. Basically, he's not stacking years, just serving both together. Do you think that's fair, or should repeat offenders face consecutive time?
currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Waters, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. This is the run concurrently with 2024 CR 007072. The state will take in consideration 2025 CC 004395. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. Sit exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and considered to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, Cameron's got potential. He needs to go in a different direction. And we've had that discussion. We'll ask the court to follow the plea agreement and give him a chance to put this behind it.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 00702. taking into consideration 2025 CC 004395, and there's the
Oof, tough moment. Cameron's basically asking, can I erase my record after this? The judge shuts it down immediately. And by the way, it's called expunge, not sponge. Big difference. SpongeBob won't be wiping this one clean.
be no contact with Vincent Marquise Daniels. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
When I get like 25 and I finish my 10 months, am I allowed to sponge the charges so I can?
You mean receive an expunction? No. Legally, it's not allowed. Now, if the legislature ends up changing,
That's
oh, I'm sorry,
24-15,
that,
Judge.
you have to take it to 15.
Okay, okay.
If the legislature changes things, then who knows? But for now, it's not expungable. Expungable. Yeah.
Expungable.
Yeah, there we go. All right, we're going to move on to 2024 CR 007072, State versus Cameron Waters. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Cameron Leonard Waters who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 007072 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on August 6, 2024 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 1 on or about the 15th day of March 2025 in Texas. The defendant, Cameron Leron Waters, committed the offense of unauthorized use of a motor vehicle or of a vehicle in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is the adjudicate guilt, revoke the individual office probation, sentence him to 10 months in the state jail facility to run concurrent with his previous plea.
That's our agreement.
All right, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
The court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 10 months in the state.
This is the heart of it. Cameron is only 18 with parents in his life and still ended up here. The judge isn't just handing down a sentence, she's delivering a life lesson. Question for you guys, do you think tough lectures like this can actually change a young defendant's path, or do they usually fall on deaf ears?
Jail facility. This will run concurrently with 2024 CR 00702. And the court, as previously stated, will sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
18.
All right, you're 18. You had freedom. All you had to do was not commit offenses. So, driving around in a stolen vehicle, was that worth time taken away from your life
No, ma'am.
in custody?
No, ma'am.
Well, why don't you recognize these things until you are before me and you're getting revoked and spending time in the state jail facility? And now you're worried about Can I get this taken off my record? No, that's something that you should have been worried about beforehand. Do you not have anyone in your life that shows you right from wrong?
I do.
All right, so, and who would that be?
My mom and my dad.
All right, so you have your mother and your father in your life trying to teach you right from wrong, and you just choose to do the wrong thing. Life is so easy, people make it difficult. This is just nonsense. And now you're going to the state jail facility. You're going to be locked up for 10 months at a minimum. I'm sorry, at a maximum 10 months. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you're sitting there thinking about getting your record expunged, realizing how hard life is now going to be for you, know that it's your fault. This is all 100% on you. It's 100% on you when you were placed on probation for another unauthorized use of a vehicle. And then you wouldn't act right. You wouldn't follow the rules. And then you have another one. When you should have been in school, you should have been at a trade school or doing something to better yourself instead of running around with your friends, you know, taking cars that don't belong to you. Good luck. Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1 in 2023 CR 3543, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation number 1 in 2024 CR 4456, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1 in each cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to deny the motion to adjudicate, continue on is deferred. And in the 2023 cause number 2023 CR 3543, extend for 1 year, amend for outpatient treatment program and monthly UAs. And then under the 2024 CR 4456 cause number, amend for outpatient treatment program and monthly UAs, Your Honor. And the state will take into consideration cause number 2025 PF 24726, which is the possession of the Defendant Group 2 controlled substance that he pled true to, and number 1 of each of these MTRs, Your Honor.
All right, so you said 2025 PF
Yes, Your Honor. 2025 PF 24726.
26. Okay. Counsel, is that the agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Here's where it gets messy. Probation rules often clash with state-level marijuana laws. Even if you buy THC legally from a dispensary, the court can still say nope, violation. Should probation laws adapt to local legalization or stay strict? What do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, State. So you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So,
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Moses Anthony Ross.
All right, so what is your drug of choice and what have you been using?
Just marijuana.
Well, I mean, there's no just marijuana to it.
THC.
Do you want to go? Well, what I mean is you're not allowed to use drugs while you're on probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. When I first started probation, I had a prescription that was approved by you.
Mm-hmm.
My probation officer told me it was okay.
But what is this possession about then?
It's the same
That's-
THC.
It's just THC. I get it from the stores, from like the dispensaries here in San Antonio. But and then she told me that the provider that I had doesn't get accepted by you no more. So I had to find another one. And it took me about a month, but I found
Well, I
it.
mean, provider not accepted by me. What do you mean?
She said,
Where he got his original prescription. It was okay the first time, and it got approved by the court. It's when it needed renewing, that same place where you got the prescription was not recognized by the court.
she told me I could no longer use it.
Oh, well, then there's something wrong with that provider because I'm just not,
Oh, I know.
saying, oh, you're okay now, and then this time you're not okay. So,
I mean, I understand. It's just that I don't want to call it a vendor, but for the lack of a better word, the location where he'd been getting his prescriptions was no longer recognized by the court.
all right.
She told me when it expired that you no longer take that provider, and then that there's only a certain list that this court takes, and that it took me about a month to find it. And
Well, I will tell you the certain list, because people keep saying it's people that I'm not approving. There means that there's an issue with that provider.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not just me just saying, oh no, you can't use a provider, but you can use it now, but I'm going to take it away. That means that there's an issue with that provider. There's an issue with that provider's license. There's an issue with that provider's prescriptions and what they are using, the criteria they're using to give prescriptions. So, you understand?
yes, ma'am. I got a new one.
Okay.
Yeah, the probation just showed it.
Yes. So, what have you done since you've been on probation?
I did my class. My first class I completed. My second class, she said I could start at the end of July of this time, and I got in trouble, so I didn't start my class.
All right.
But all I have to do is complete one more class, and I would have completed both my.
What, that's parenting?
That's the one he needed to start in July.
But she told me I could wait till the end of July since I just got done with other probation in that class.
All right. All right, and I'm sorry, State, were you asking for an extension of 1 year
Yes, Your Honor.
and 3543?
Yes, that's what the recommendation was from probation. I believe that it's supposed to expire month, the 20, and
That's on the 2023 case.
the 2023 case. And it had already been extended once already, Judge. So,
It was
I mean,
extended
the other
once.
one, he's not expiring until 2026.
That first one got extended because of monies.
Okay. I'm.
And Judge, I think they're asking for the extension in order for him to do the outpatient treatment program, but depending on if you think that's even necessary, given that he has a prescription.
Because the outpatient treatment, I'm assuming it's because the possession of a controlled substance, which was the marijuana that he didn't have his prescription for at the time, because the provider is no longer on a list of approved providers. So what I'm wondering is we just let the 3543 case expire, and then he's still on probation
The other case
on the other
until
case.
That's fine with the state, Your Honor.
June of 2026, Judge.
And then in the other case, he still has an affirmative finding of family violence, so it's the same.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so this is what the court will do then. In cause number 2023 CR 3543, the court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court will deny the motion. And that case will expire on August 24th, 2023. I'm sorry, 2025. Thank you. And then in cause number 2024 CR 4456, court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court will take in consideration 2025 PF 24726. All right, and then I really don't see the need for, as everybody stated, I really don't see the need for outpatient treatment or probation. Do you see the need for outpatient treatment? All right. So this is what needs to happen though. whatever your prescription is, it's not a free pass for you to use more than you're supposed to be using. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And probation, I see that it's for PTSD.
The first one was for my ACL, MCL. I had full reconstruction surgery on my knee. I fractured my lower back. I'm a barber. My back hurts. My knees kill me. Both of them are torn. And my dad in the military, so all that's like documented through like in the hospital.
So is it for PTSD or not?
Yes, there's this one is yes, no.